Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making butter slime. A slime creator on Instagram made butter slime and it blew up all over the internet. That's why I'm making butter slime too. But making butter slime or just normal slime comes with a downside. Some people they don't have the slime reactor or they don't have the glue. That's why today I'm making butter slime, a very popular slime, without glue or slime reactor. So let's get on with the tutorial. First thing you need to do is add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch into a mixing bowl. So here is some cornstarch and you will have to add 4 tablespoons. After adding the cornstarch, you will need 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, I'm using 2 tablespoons, of a creamy shampoo. Now, all you will have to do is just add as much baby oil as you want. Make sure not to add so much, just until you get a proper consistency. Now just add 1 more teaspoon of your creamy shampoo and mix it all together. Depending on your shampoo, you might want to add 1 more teaspoon. After your slime starts looking crumbly like this, it's time that you start kneading it with your hands until it gets to the proper consistency. And then you can add what you need later on. Like if it's too sticky, you can add some more cornstarch. If it's too crumbly, more shampoo. And if it's not stretchy, then you can add some more baby oil. Now all that's left to do is just to dye it yellow. With your yellow food coloring, I'm just adding like maybe 2 drops, just as much as I need. And just mix that all together until you get the color that you want. So this is the final result. It's very beautiful and nice, and it just feels so soft. It doesn't feel like slime, it's matte. So that's even better, and it's so stretchy, and you might not think it's stretchy, but the baby oil obviously makes it stretchy, super soft. And to check if it's actually real butter slime, we have to spread it with a butter knife. So I have a butter knife right over here, and now we will spread it. Look at that. It spreads very, very nicely. So this is your butter slime without glue, and I made a batch right here, so I'll put them both together. And this is also like a soap, so you can also wash your hands with this, because sometimes when you're making it, it tends to get on your hands. So you can also take a piece and just go wash your hands with it. And I will demonstrate right now. So here's a piece. This is an amazing butter slime recipe, because first I couldn't understand really why people were obsessed over butter slime, but now I understand because it's so much fun, and especially how I made it out with no glue. Now I can make it all the time and I don't need to buy glue. This is so much fun to play with and super soft, and it spreads just like butter. This will totally make a statement in my slime collection. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please click the like button if you like this video. And please click subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 50 Crusaders. And if you did not like this video, please tell me down below in the comments what I should improve. I hope you guys enjoyed this butter slime tutorial, and I hope you liked it. And I hope you actually use this butter slime. So please share this video if your friends like butter slime, or if you know someone who likes butter slime. Bye guys! See you guys in the next video!